They might have canceled the fireworks tonight, but talk about a heck of a light show. Wow. Haven't seen lightning like this in a while. This is facing northwest toward Greenville from Mercer. Holy shnikes. Back in 2012, 2011, somewhere 2013 maybe, I ended up shooting a video that night on my YouTube channel for storms. That was on the 4th of July actually, and the lightning was this intense. Where are you at, Cody? You're in Girard, okay. That cell over by you looked like it was pretty heavy. Like I said, this is facing northwest toward Greenville. Anybody else seeing heavy lightning up their way? Mercer looking northwest toward Greenville. This is some of the best lightning I've seen in a while. I might have to jump off here and plug my phone in and jump back on here in a couple of minutes. Oh, our power in Mercer flashed on and off a while back. I'm on the east side of the borough. I want to set my phone down and go plug it in. I'll be right back. The light show is insane. Come on, Willie, inside. Okay, sorry about that. I'm gonna try to stay on here as long as I possibly can. I'm gonna have to go back through the video and get some still shots later. I'm in Mercer, Katie, on the east side of town. I'm facing northwest toward Greenville. Lightning and fireworks all in one night. Heck of a way to celebrate the 4th of July. Yes, it is. Some of the best I've seen in recent. Oh yeah, watching from the front porch. I'll try to stay out here as long as I can. Anybody have any storm damage anywhere? Yeah, they canceled the Mercer fireworks tonight. They rescheduled that for the 17th, I do believe. And I'm not sure who else is still having them. Our power flickered earlier with the previous storm. Our cable, I think, was out for maybe a minute or two with it. But that might have been just due to the electric being out. Heck of a way to spend a Friday night. It looks like that cell I'm facing is stretching between Fredonia and up toward Jamestown. Hold on 1 second, I'm gonna look at radar, everyone. It looks like the southern part of that storm up north of us is starting to head down toward Mercer just a little bit. So that lightning right there might end up missing us. Look like the only thing we might get in Mercer is heavy rain. We are currently underneath a thunderstorm warning for the county. I do believe that goes to 10:45, but I could be wrong. I can't remember what the text said. Well, I'm going to jump off here. If anything more happens to pop up, I will be back. Thanks for watching.